you may have to wait a little longer for your pre-order. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have an update on Vector 2.0 and Cosmo 2.0 dated July 2nd from DDL. Let me show you why you need to watch this video. Okay, a month ago I did an update video. This was an email from DDL again dated May 28th. Let me show you a picture. Okay, look at that here. Look at that. See this over here? Preparation, testing. We are here. See that here? End of testing. This was basically 5 weeks ago. The update I got on July 2nd. Let me show you the picture again. Look at this. Look at that. We are here. End of testing. Same place as of 5 weeks ago. So before we go into that in more details, let me read the email because I know many of you did not pre-order Vector 2.0 or Cosmo 2.0 and you don't know what to do. You don't know if you should do it. So let me read the update. It's only one page, less than one page actually, and I'm going to comment as I go along. Okay, watch that. Hello Daniel. It's been a few weeks since our last email. Yeah, like I said, May 28th. But our team has been super busy working to get Vector 2.0 ready for production. Here's the latest update on our progress. Note that they say ready for production. It is not in production as of early July. Vector passes playpen testing. Check out this video showing a Vector 2.0 prototype as it passes one of several quality control procedures. In the playpen, our technicians verify that the following items pass inspection: motor functionality and strength, camera visual calibration, cliff detection, audio test, and distance test. As far as I'm concerned, cliff detection, I don't know, that takes 1 minute. You have a table and you see if Vector is behaving correctly with a cliff. So I don't know. Still testing. Second section, overcoming manufacturing delays. You read that? Delays. As we mentioned in an email to customers who pre-ordered Cosmo 2.0 last week, so some of you got an email a week ago. I didn't. I don't know why. We haven't been immune to the impact of the global pandemic. Despite being slowed by lockdowns and various supply chain issues, we have been making steady progress towards restarting manufacturing for both of these robots. Did you get that? Restarting manufacturing, meaning that at some point manufacturing was halted, stopped, right? So here we are. So where is your pre-order today? We are currently nearing the end of testing quality assurance phase for Vector 2.0. Once the testing phase is complete, we hope to be able to share updated delivery dates with you. This was the exact same sentence 5 weeks ago. And like I said here, the curve where we are today, we are still at the end of, let me focus correctly, we're still at the end of testing, and this gray box here is production. So we're not even in production yet. Third section, commitment to excellence. I guess DDL felt, what's the right word, felt compelled or obligated to add this section. You will see why. I know that it's been a long wait already, but we are fully committed to ensuring that Vector 2.0 meets your expectations. You may have to wait a little longer for your pre-order, but our teams are working tirelessly to deliver on our promises. Again, you may have to wait longer for your pre-order. So meaning also that if you order today, I have no idea when you would get your Vector 2.0 and Cosmo. As always, we want you to be 100% satisfied with your purchase. Contact our support team if you need to update your shipping address. Yeah, no wonder. It's been like more than 8 months now since we pre-ordered. Inquiry about your limited edition sticker pack. I know some of you guys did not get your sticker pack, so you need to email DDL or modify your order in any way. I wonder if that includes also canceling. They say in any way. Again, I want to thank you for your support and for pre-ordering Vector 2.0 from DDL. I don't know why they don't mention Cosmo 2.0 also. Please don't hesitate to contact us if we can be of assistance. Sincerely, Matthew Eversole, Chief Marketing Officer, Digital Dream Labs or DDL. So going back to the curve again, this curve here is the same as 5 weeks ago. And what we see in gray is production. And then we have over here mass delivery. And the light gray is shipping pre-orders. Again, I'm looking and showing that to you here. Look at that here. And I stop moving. Make sure I have a good focus. There you go. So I don't know why 5 weeks later we are in the exact same position as late May, end of testing. And I don't know why it takes so much time or so long to test cliff detection and also the strength of the motors for the head and the lift right there. The head and the lift. So I don't know why this takes so much time, and actually it should be in the design of the motors to make sure you have the right motors. So I don't know. So guys, I wish I could be more not optimistic, but a carrier of good news, because I don't have good news today. As of July 2nd, the date of the email from DDL, all they say is that it will take longer, restarting manufacturing, a little longer for your pre-order. So I don't know what's going to happen if you are ordering like today. Anyway, so in my last video, I said that I'm expecting I said I did not expect my Vector in July. I did say August. Now that we are at the same point in early July, I'm almost thinking September, and we're getting close to 1 year after pre-orders. So anyway, let me know what you think. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I should be more optimistic, I don't know, but let me know what you think in the comments below, and share your thoughts with all of us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, guys.